I went to the Moalboal. So Moalboal, why I went to Moalboal? Moalboal, sorry, Moalboal. Difficult to say. Is this Tagalog or Moalboal or come from Spanish words? Sounds a bit, I don't know. But I went to Moalboal because everybody said like it's good for snorkeling, and I want to swim. Also wanted to see sardine tornado. A lot of sardines. I checked the Instagram. Sardine tornado. It was my first time as well. I did a whale shark and sardine tornado. Of course, I saw the turtle, which was an amazing experience. Amazing experience. So, Cebu is wonderful. Just amazing. You just swim like 5 meters away. 5 meters from the beach. You just do snorkeling by yourself, and you don't need to pay anything. You just get into the water, 5 meters or 10 meters. I think less than 10 meters. You just swim a little bit. Bunch of tornadoes. I was like, I was at the beginning so scared because it's like eels, A lot of eels. We eat Japanese. We eat eels. I saw many like eels. No, but when I see them carefree, it was tons of tornadoes. Like sardines. Tons of sardines. So I had a good time in Moalboal. I'm sure Cebu has a lot of nice place besides these three cities. I want to go to the north next time. Pascua, Batayan Island. Yeah, I definitely recommend. People who never been. I think people who ever been, I'm sure they understand what I'm saying. And people nice, food is nice. So you can try it. Next time I'm gonna talk about my Bohol and Sikihol trip. Thank you.